What's going on, everybody? How are you today? My name is Mike, and today we are going ice fishing. That's an icy lake, so let's get to it. Wow, we're out here. First time on the ice this year. It's a little creepy. This lake makes that ice sound when things start to crack, like the big cracks. It's a little crazy. I'm not used to that, but let's get to this. And I wish you guys could hear these crazy sounds. Out here just a little bit. Oh man, it's cold out here. I think it's about 14 degrees right now. It was 7 degrees this morning. Got my first hole drilled. Had to take the GoPro off. I kept hitting it with the handle of the auger. So I got my ice spikes just in case, you know, but it looks like we got like 4 or 5 inches of ice here. That is insane. I'm so excited. Now, is there gonna be fish here? I don't know. I don't have any flashers or anything like that, so bucket here, a clam bucket, and my chair that's also made by clam. And this chair is freaking awesome. And my parents got me this. Thank you, them. 13 fishing ice pole here. Look at the fishing. I think this spot is about 15 to I don't know, 15-20 feet maybe, if I remember. I use Navionics to find some spots, so we'll see how it goes. Let's see, got the 6 cents bait bag that I've utilized into my camera bag. This is pretty much waterproof. We're gonna use these crappie bites. I usually have some pretty good luck with these. Let's see what these do. There's some fish in there. If not, oh well. We'll just make our way along the edge here. I normally would find a spot with structure. That tends to be where a lot of fish are. But I'll start here, see what happens. Alright, this is an inline ice fishing rod by 13 Fishing. The reel's pretty cool. You just click a button and that bait should drop to the bottom. Did I not do it right? Oh no, I did. There it goes. We're gonna let this go all the way to the bottom. See, that's at the bottom now. And now we just sit and wait. I also forgot my ice scooper, so that was smart of me. Tell you what, this chair is it's a game changer. Sit here, chill out, literally. Oh, that was a crazy sound. Can you guys hear this? I actually think there's some holes drilled over there, not too far away. That might be the best spot. We'll have to move and see. Alright. Making a move. It's not deep enough here. I hate drilling holes, but especially when my blades are dull. So we're gonna do it. Man, still about only 10 feet deep. It's ridiculous. Unless there's a bunch of weeds down there, I don't know. Trying though. I didn't like that. You'd think there'd be fish just everywhere, but it's not the case. Should I get Panoptics? Scan around, find them all. Oh, the ice started to crack quite a bit around where I was sitting. Even though it's pretty thick, I don't know. It's not clear ice. It's very cloudy. I don't know. I'm not too fond of it. So we're getting the hell out of here. I'm done. Oh, we're back on land. Even though the ice freaks me out, it's probably fine, to be honest. But I don't know. I didn't like it, so I left. If you ever in a situation like that, and you're like, hey, this doesn't feel right, just leave. Don't feel like you have to stay to impress anybody. But I want to make some coffee. While I'm here, and then just chill. If you guys are curious, this is the Black Rifle coffee bag. They're super nice. They're kind of like tea bags, but filled with a really good coffee. It only takes 3 to 4 minutes, and then you have coffee. You squeeze the bag, and then delicious coffee to drink. That is what I take out with me every time I go out on the water. It's just easier than trying to start a fire or take a propane, a gas stove, and heat up water and everything. So really good idea. Just bring some hot water. You got coffee. Well, guys, everybody, the ice freaked me out. I'm still here at the lake, but I'm on land, so I don't have to freak out anymore. I don't know, I might go drill another hole and see what's going on over here, but other than that, I think I'm done for the day. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. I'm sorry there's no fish catches. It's my first time out ice fishing. It's my first time out ice fishing this lake, so I gotta figure it out. I gotta look at some more maps and find out where these fish might be. I have no idea, so that's the game plan. I might go ice fishing again somewhere else though, so the next ice fishing video you see will probably be somewhere else. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more ice fishing videos or just fishing videos in general. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Comments let YouTube know that we are doing a good job, and yeah, I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to explore for fish.